Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What is the best oil to use for stovetop popcorn? It's important to use an oil with a pretty high smoke point for perfect stovetop popcorn, which both vegetable and canola oil have. I, personally, always use vegetable oil. Coconut oil will get you more of that movie theater flavor and works well.
Take our lead.
As for the type of oil, Ms. Coslow prefers grapeseed for its high smoke point and clean flavor, but sunflower, safflower, vegetable, canola and corn oils also work, as does ghee if you have it on hand.
Take our lead.
Every theater makes their popcorn slightly differently, but the oil is vital. Some use canola, which has a clean, subtle taste. Others use a combination of canola and coconut oil for a unique taste, or cook the kernels in a mixture of oil and buttery salt.
Let's help you make your mark.
Coconut oil is the very best oil to use for popping popcorn. You're looking for virgin, aka unrefined, coconut oil. It's what makes popcorn taste like the stuff from the movies. Refined coconut oil will work from a method perspective, but it won't give quite the same movie theater taste.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.